Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to plan writing task 2 in IELTS exam. We know that task 2 is more important part because it comprises more than 66% of your total weightage. It is always advised to spend 40 minutes on this task and you have to write minimum 250 words. The writing task 2 is written in 4 to 5 paragraphs based on the type of essay. Paragraph 1 is introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and at last conclusion. The introduction and conclusion should always be brief and more length should be given in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So I think it is important for you to know the types of essay. There are 5 main types of essay. Opinion essay. In this type you will find the statements like some people think, others think, what is your opinion? The question would be, is this a positive development or negative development? Type 2, agree or disagree essay. The question would be, to what extent do you agree? Do you agree? Type 3, discussion essay. The question would be, discuss both sides and give your opinion. Advantages and disadvantages essay. The question may vary, like what are the advantages and disadvantages? Do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? Type 5th, cause solution essay, like what are the causes for this, how it can be solved? Or there are sometimes direct question essays like why it is important to ban extreme sports. When you get the statement of task 2, it is always important to find the important keywords which will help you to understand the essay better. There will be an information sentence and a question sentence. The information sentence usually becomes the topic sentence of the essay. So if you rephrase the information sentence in the statement, it gives you a good start of your essay. So just rephrase the topic sentence and then clearly state your opinion by writing a good thesis statement. The thesis statement of your essay depends upon the question of your statement. Like if the question is opinion, you will make in my personal opinion. If the question is agree, disagree, your thesis statement would be I fully agree, partially agree, completely disagree. Discussion essay, the statement would be I intend to discuss both opinions but I agree with the former or latter, or I personally think that. Advantages, disadvantages essay, I personally think advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or I personally think that merits are far more higher than demerits. Cause or solution essay, you can write I will discuss the responsible reasons and will suggest some solutions of the problem. The introduction is brief, which only has 2 sentences, topic sentence and thesis statement. The purpose of introduction is to let the reader know the topic, the aspect of the topic being dealt with, the stand and position of the writer. Many a times students ask me that is it important to choose opinion? I think the examiner must know that what is the position of the writer in the essay. So it is always better to make your position clear in the introduction itself. So after writing introduction, next come the body paragraph 1. In the body paragraph 1, you can support your opinion or you can support the opposite opinion. If you want to write the opinion of others in your body paragraph 1, you can simply start with on the one hand, or you can start there are 2 main reasons why people believe that. After that, give the main idea why people think this. The main idea should be supported with good explanation and examples. When you move to another idea that is going to be the next main idea, it should be linked with proper cohesive device like in addition, secondly, furthermore, and the main idea too should be supported with some supportive ideas and examples. But in the body paragraph 1, if you want to support your opinion, you can start my main argument to support my opinion is that, and then write your main ideas which you think are going to support your main argument. In body paragraph 2, try to start with a contrasting connector like however, on the other hand, however, opponents claim that, however, I disagree with those who claim that. So if you are supporting the opposite opinion in body paragraph 1, you will state your opinion in the body paragraph 2. But if you are giving your opinion in body paragraph 1. The others' opinion will be discussed in the body paragraph 2. However, the organization of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2 will be same, which will have main ideas with sportive examples and explanation. Next comes conclusion. In conclusion, just reiterate your opinion, what you have chosen in your body paragraph, and summarize with main ideas. Now I'm going to explain you the organization of writing task with help of an example. I have chosen a statement. Some people think that watching TV programs can help children's development while others disagree. What is your opinion? You can notice that there are two main parts in this essay. One part is the people who think that television is very important for children and others think that it could be harmful. So examiner wants that you choose your opinion, but you should mention the other's opinion as well. So if you write the two parts of the essay with sportive examples and reasons, you are definitely going to get good band score because of your task achievement. So now comes to the introduction. Actually, the topic sentence is just the information sentence, but it is written in a different way. So I think you understand the meaning of rephrasing the statement. Some people think that watching TV programs can help children development while others disagree. So I'm going to rephrase the sentence. People have different views about impact of television on children. While I accept that TV can have a positive effect on the user, I believe that it has more harmful influence on the tender minds of children. So you have noticed that I'm going to give the problems what television programs can have on the children development. Your score doesn't depend upon the opinion you choose, but it depends upon the support of your argument. So in the body paragraph 1, I'm going to give the opinion of other people who think that television is important. So the body paragraph will be started with, on the one hand, the main points which I have chosen are, as we know that television is important source of information. So first idea would be, on the one hand, television is considered important source of information as it provides valuable information about current affairs, news. Children can know about the things happening around them. Moreover, it is very interesting way to learn many things. They can know about different subjects. They can gain valuable knowledge as it is audiovisual aid which always help in better retention and improves their memory. So after that, I'm going to move the second main point, the second main advantage which people think that television has on the development of children. The second point is that it is good source of entertainment. So I will link these two main ideas, that it is a source of information and good entertainment, with the proper cohesive device. Like I'm going to write, in addition, television is good entertainment for children and it helps them to transfer to a virtual world which not only develops their imagination but also improves their creativity and skills. Also, television is important source to help them relaxation and refresh them from the tiring day of their studies. They can reduce their stress and regain the energy to perform better in their studies. So this is the opinion of the people who think that television has important role in the development of children personality. But I want to discuss that it is not going to give any benefits. So I'm going to start my paragraph with, however, I would argue that watching television for long hours can have detrimental effects on the children because it is addictive. And when children spend more than 2 hours on watching television in a day, it wastes their precious study time, which may badly affect their scores and performance in the class. Secondly, watching television for a long time can have poor and adverse effect on the health of the children. These days, children are not interested in doing any physical activity, which sometimes leads to obesity or overweight in children. Here you can add example. For example, in developed countries like USA, UK, a big proportion of children under 14 are suffering with the problem of overweight and related illnesses. And you can give the proportion like more than 20% children are suffering with the problem like myopia, hypermetropia, or short-sightedness due to watching television for long hours. Thirdly, when children spend too much time indoors on watching television, they lack social values because they do not have any interaction with friends and family. So it leads to behavior problems and children are getting more aggressive and violent. So you have noticed that I have written the problems which television may cause to the children and it can have negative effects on their personality. In conclusion, television causes more harm than benefits, so it has no role in the grooming of children personality. So it doesn't play any role in grooming the children personality. So I think that you might have understood that essay must be well organized. It should support the key points which are in the statement, and if you want to improve your score, try to write your essay by just brainstorming it first and then take your time to write an essay well on your piece of paper, and you should have 5 minutes at the end to check your spellings, punctuation to improve your score. Thanks.